Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA with an important message for Los Angeles. We're having the worst horrific drought in our history. People are letting their lawns die, they're not watering outdoors, and I'm here to tell you that we can make a difference. We can really change. And so what we did here was we actually put drought tolerant plants, and we put a ground cover called Carapia. And the Carapia is going to allow allow the homeowners to have what looks like green lawn, but once it's established, it's only going to need water once or twice a month. It's amazing stuff. Got some drought tolerant plants here, and the homeowner planted rocks as the mulch, and so it's absolutely beautiful. We're gonna come back here in a couple months once everything's kind of filling in and show you what it looks like. Gentleman over there, he's actually putting fertilizer inside the fertilizer injection system, and that's going to water. It's going to add fertilizer to the water through the drip irrigation. There's no overhead sprays, it's all drip irrigation. Anyway, Mike from Enviroscape LA, just wanted to update you on this, on how you can have an absolutely stunningly beautiful yard and use very, very little water. When you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.